In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Tag Manager if you're looking to fine-tune your website's tagging setup, or perhaps you're adding or changing tags, triggers, or variables. This guide will take you through the process step by step. First, let's start by logging into Google Tag Manager. Ensure you're connected to the right account, as this is where all the tags you manage across different websites will live. Once you're logged in, navigate to your desired container, which refers to your website or application you're targeting for these updates. This container is essentially a workspace for your tags, triggers, and variables that you'll want to update or create. Great. Now, depending on your objective, you might either edit existing tags or create new ones. Tags are snippets of code or tracking pixels like Google Analytics 4 or Facebook Pixel that you want to fire on your site. Head over to the tags section in your container and you'll see a list of all current tags associated with that container. Here you can choose to edit an existing tag or create a new one based on your current needs. Moving on to triggers, which are essentially the rules that determine when your tag should fire. For instance, you might want to fire a tag on a page view or when a button is clicked. Navigate to the triggers section where you can see all the existing rules or set up new ones. Consider carefully how these rules align with your marketing objectives, as they control the conditions under which your tags will operate. Now let's discuss variables. In the context of Google Tag Manager, variables are used to capture dynamic values, such as page URLs or click text. These variables can be critical in ensuring your tags and triggers are more dynamic and precise in their operation. Head to the variables section and you'll have the opportunity to customize and configure these as needed. Before making any updates live, it's crucial to test your changes. This is where Google Tag Manager's preview mode becomes incredibly handy. By entering preview mode, you can test your changes in real time on your website, ensuring everything works as expected. It's like a dress rehearsal before the big show, allowing you to verify the integrity of your setups without affecting your live site. Once you're satisfied that everything is functioning as intended, it's time to finalize your updates. Click on Submit to initiate the process of saving your changes. Be sure to provide a descriptive name and comprehensive description for this new version in the given fields, which helps in tracking changes over time. Finally, the last step is to click Publish. This action will make all your changes live on your website, effectively updating your tracking setup according to the adjustments you just made. And there you have it, your Google Tag Manager updates are complete, seamlessly enhancing your site's data gathering capabilities.